Yeah, so tó bá jẹ́ tí ènìyàn fẹ́ apply fún visitor as you said, so the first thing you have to do is come to this address canada.car. Once you press enter, it will take you to this page, and once you get here, you click on start English. So when you click on English, it will load and it takes you to the main page, homepage of the website. So when you get here, point your mouse on this menu, click on this menu, and it will pop up a list. So out of the list, click on immigration and citizenship. So from there, you click on tourism, travel and tourism, sorry. Then you click on it. Once you click on it, it will load. It will bring out an option for you to select from. And once you get here, what you have to do is travel, no, visit Canada. You click on visit Canada. You click on it. Once you click on it, it will bring you to this page. Then you scroll down, then you apply for, then click on this, apply for a visitor visa. You click on it. Once you click on it, you will wait, it will load. All these steps you can read. If you have time, you can read, take your time to read each steps. These are the number of steps you have to take before you be able to apply. And this is the actual amount you have to pay for the application. So then you scroll down. If you have time, enough time, read everything. Next. So that next will bring me here. We can come read. Make sure you read everything if you have time. So I'm actually going to somewhere. So when you get to this site, to this page, you scroll down. Once you scroll down, you click on to visit as a tourist. You click on this, then you click on get instruction. After that, it will load and bring back another page for you. Then click on apply for a visitor visa. You click on it. Make sure you read everything on the data details on the page first. So once you get here, apply for a visitor visa for myself. So the actual person that is coming, except you want to do it for someone or want to be a client for the person and you want to be the respondent on behalf of the person. But if you are doing it yourself, if you are doing it for someone as a client, you click on this, of which the person must consent, must fill a consent form that you have access on his account. So if not, you should you should click on apply for a visitor for myself. You're applying it by yourself. So in that case, you don't need the consent form. Maybe someone to have access to your data. Understand? So after I click on apply for myself, you come here. It will bring you to another page. Do you already have an application in progress? No. Then this one, the next thing is just for you to click on sign in or create an IRCC secure account. Click on this. So once you click on this, it will take you to the sign in page. So on the sign in page, when you scroll down, so when you get there, this is the option that concerns you. Option one, that's the login. You have to create your GC key, user ID, and password. So once you get here, if you have an existing username and password, I mean GC key, user ID, username and password, you can click on sign in with GC key. But if you don't have, you click on don't have an account, then you click on register. When you click on register, it will take you to another page, registration page. You read the details, how to register, blah 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 blah. Then click on this. You click on the register with GC key. So when you get here, it will actually bring you back to the sign-in page, which is a sign-in username and password. On this page, you don't have to click since you are creating an account, you click on sign up. But if you have an existing username and password, you type in your username and you type in your password, then you click on sign in. But if you don't have, you click on sign up as a new user. Then you follow these instructions. From there, you fill the rest. You continue. Once you create the account, then you're good. Then I will continue the next step on the next video.